Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Impala headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, a ratchet, a 7mm socket, and your new headlight bulb. It is crucial to confirm you have the correct bulb type for your specific Impala model. Always ensure your engine is cool and the ignition is off before starting any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To begin, open your vehicle's hood and identify the headlight assembly requiring attention. Depending on your Impala, you might need to remove a single 7mm bolt securing the assembly. For some models, you may also need to gently pull a plastic clip or temporarily move an airbox to create enough space. This step provides the necessary access to the bulb. Now, carefully twist the round dust cover counterclockwise and set it aside. Next, disconnect the electrical harness by lifting its tab and pulling it off the old bulb. Grasp the old bulb, twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass. Push it in, twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock, and reconnect the electrical harness. To finish, replace the dust cover by twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position, securing any clips or the 7mm bolt you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights and test both the low and high beams. Verify that the new bulb illuminates correctly and provides adequate light for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.